We have a lot of people who have been here for more than 10 plus years, and each one of them are part of the core and why we're strong.
It's a big accomplishment for us to be celebrating 20 years in business, some of the milestones that we've come together to achieve.
A lot of people with a lot of different backgrounds that have all come together as really one cohesive team that are working towards the same goal.
Signal Group started 20 years ago and really was about an e-commerce website. I was one of the first people who had DirecTV in their home.
He wanted DirecTV throughout his whole home. They didn't really have that then.
There's this thing, it's called a multi-switch. You had to have one that could handle more than 6 TVs. So I went on a forum and I got a response on what the product was. And I got this product and I hooked it up, and lo and behold, everything worked. It became the #1 thread on this forum for almost 2 weeks. I got hundreds, if not thousands, of requests. And I'm like, I should sell this. And that was how I started Solid Signal.
And he told me that he was starting a business to sell antennas. And I was like, Jerry, I've had cable since 1974. Who the hell has antennas?
But there were 38 million households that have TV antennas. We sold more TV antennas than Radio Shack.
And he became the largest outdoor antenna HD conversion guy on the planet.
We became the poster child. By far and away the largest company that was buying accessories. And it kept just growing and growing and growing what we worked with, who our customer base was.
He's built a company that's really surrounding problem solving.
Our successes come from throwing spaghetti on the wall and just trying something. A lot of it sticks.
We were going to be best in class in everything we did.
Signal Group is a company that's involved in an industry that's going through massive change.
Signal Group is a team of talented people. We market, we sell, we fulfill, and I think we can sell and market anything.
Common isn't a word that describes Signal Group.
The big picture is we deal with solutions to connectivity issues. So we sell TV antennas, we set up service for DirecTV and Dish Network.
Basically a big electronic store where you can get stuff that you can't get at your corner store or even Amazon. We help people get connected.
It's like Radio Shack on steroids with no brick and mortar. Antennas, satellites, cell phone boosters, Wi-Fi boosters, anything connectivity based, whether it's land, sea, air, we have it.
We're helping that manufacturer distribute their product. We really give them one place to go and all their products are taken care of.
Internet solutions for any address in the country, whether residential or commercial, just about any solution provider on the planet.
Our marine business is GPS, it's navigation, it's security, entertainment.
We can deploy it and we can have it installed in the field, and that really is what makes us different.
Our people are trained to find out what the problem is and help with the solution.
They get the best fit for the solution they need.
I may not know the answer, but I got a guy and I can get you the answer. I might not be the guy, but I'll get you the guy.
We got a team of people that has invested so much time in learning how all the equipment works together.
You can call and talk to somebody live on the phone and walk you through an installation.
We're picking up the phone calls on Saturday nights and solving the customer problem.
We want you to call so we can get to know you, develop that relationship with us, and then come to us for your next needs.
We're super passionate when it comes to our customers, helping them with whatever problem they call in with.
We are really focused on bringing in the best leaders and the best people really to drive the organization forward.
We are prepared. We have people working on these new technologies now and how we can serve our customers. And so our customer base continues to grow. We have a low churn rate. Our people pay our bills.
The end result's always happy customers.
You should be given white glove customer service as far as I'm concerned.
That level of service has allowed us to break into other markets because of our expertise on how the hardware works. We just won DirecTV National Dealer of the Year Award, which is something I'm very proud of. So we were really happy. We just had a giant champagne celebration.
Everybody across the company had a big hand in that, so it was appropriate that we celebrated accordingly.
Everybody was kind of together when the announcement was made, and it was a really big celebration that everybody took a part of.
It was about achieving something that we wanted, and it took 9 years to get it.
When you look at our core purpose, we're talking about building connections between people to make their lives better. It just extends out to our customers and vendors and partners.
Collaboration's really the magic of Signal Group.
Our systems, they're all connected, they all work together, and I don't mean by product, I mean by capability.
That spirit of entrepreneurship and let's go get it done, and also celebrating those achievements as well. So I think that's a big part of the culture.
The culture's great, they're very people-oriented, family-oriented.
Everyone is very supportive of everyone else, so it really is a family feel.
There's that genuine feeling that people care about one another here.
If I'm successful, the company's going to be successful.
Signal Group is that adaptive organization. It is that entrepreneurial spirit.
There's just an amazing opportunity to make an impact every day.
The single problem that Jerry had is the same problems that we solve today, just for more people with different things and different aspects.
He's an infinitely reasonable guy, really accepting of new ideas, new directions.
Somewhere out there, there's the next really big consumer electronic thing.
We may take everything we know and be able to apply that in a whole different industry.
We're not an electronics company. It sure looks like it, but really it's just our skill set. Some of the markets we're in will go away and we'll have to replace them with something else. It's just the function of Signal being everywhere so that everybody can connect.
We pull thorns out of people's paws. That's what we do.
A lot of blood, sweat, and tears. The people that I work with, the 60 families that we have here, you feel responsible for a lot of that.
A lot of people aspire for the cool family workplace. I feel like we are actually it.
I've worked at lots of places in my lifetime and we didn't have what we have here.
I've never worked for a company that has ever cared that much about anybody or everybody.
I haven't seen a team that's more dedicated than what we have here.
I'm really thankful and proud of what we've done, and it's been a great ride so far, and I definitely am looking forward to what the future holds for us.
So I think the future is bright.
It's really quite amazing what we're capable of doing, and I'm sure we're going to continue to grow.